Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. This video was a challenge by a lady called Brenda Land, who has asked or challenged 10 of her friends to do 10 shout outs every Monday in February. So today being the first Monday in February, this is my first shout out. And so I've written them down. First, this is 10 shout outs, and those 10 people who I've shouted out can then do their shout outs. That's how it's going to work, I think. So, firstly, my first shout out is Brenda Land herself, because some of you may not have heard of Brenda. She does a lot of live chats. They're, for me, quite late at night. And when I'm sitting there, can't sleep, I often get on and I join a chat. She has quite a lot of people in her chats, not all crocheters. She does get quite a lot of different people, and they're, you know, people who like to make friends, should I say. So check out Brenda. It's just Brenda Land. That's her channel. Second one is, I know her as HD, but it's Handmade Designs, and her logo is an HD. So she doesn't have like a massive channel with lots and lots of content, but what she does do, which is really intriguing, is that she would do a live broadcast, a live stream, while she's making something. And it's actually quite mesmerising to watch. The first time I ever saw her make something was a very fine crocheted purse, and it was amazing to watch. And she does it quite often now, and I think she does quite a lot of other crafts as well. So it's worth a watch. So that's HD, Handmade Designs. My third shout out is Have a Yarn with Charlie, and I love Charlie. She was one of the first people that I came across on YouTube. Not scrub that. I came across a lot of people on YouTube many years ago, but since I've had my channel, should I say, and I started to make friends. And Charlie's a lovely lady, and she has quite a new concept with her giveaways that you might enjoy. So I would give her channel a little watch. She's also going to start doing a few tutorials. I don't know if she's done any so far. I know she had a few hiccups with her equipment, but check her out. She might have done those. That's Have a Yarn with Charlie. Can't read my own writing, it's so small. And fourth one is Maria's Quilts, Crafts and Crochet. I always get these things mixed up. She has really gorgeous hand-dyed yarn. She doesn't have like a lot of tutorials and stuff like that on her channel. She works, I think she works at least full-time, if not another job as well. So she doesn't have a great deal of time. She has just announced that she's starting up another channel for other bits and pieces other than the crochets and quilts, and so she's doing that as well. Not checked that out myself yet because I've not had any internet. It's been a bit of a pain. But check her out. She's got some lovely hand-dyed yarn on there. So number 5 is All Things Crochet and Knit with Kit. Now I'm doing a yarn swap with Kit, so you'll see that coming up very soon. I have actually filmed my my unboxing, but I'm waiting for her to get hers. So that's how All Things Crochet and Knit with Kit. She's got some lovely content on her channel. If you haven't already found her, then give her a watch. Number 6 needs no shout out from me. But I absolutely love her and love her channel, and that is The Secret Yarnery. Krista is amazing. She is funny, she's upbeat, she's got lots of amazing tutorials. She lives in Nairobi in Kenya and often takes you out and about and shows you where she lives, her dogs. She's just full of personality, and I absolutely love Krista. So check out her channel if you haven't found her already. She is halfway through speaking, she'll just erupt into this crazy laughter, but I just think she's amazing. I love her. And number 7 also needs absolutely no shout out from me, and that is Glenda the Creative Grandma, and her channel is just lovely. She's got lots and lots of really, really good tutorials. She's a very calm, placid lady. When she has a tutorial, she's a very, very calm teacher, and you wouldn't go wrong looking on her channel as well. She's lovely, lovely lady. Number 8 is Crafts by the Rose. Now, Tina, her name is, and she is a lovely, bubbly lady. She has, I've joined quite a lot of her live chats, especially in the beginning. I don't get so much time now to spend on all the channels that I used to, but I do pop in to keep my, you know, keep my presence in and out of channels, even if I don't comment. But she makes really lovely, intricate earrings and things like that. So we're out of crochet. So give her a watch and join her live chat. Sometimes they're really funny. Number 9 is Sandy. She is absolutely a lovely, lovely woman, and that is Left is Right Crochet. She has a off-the-wall, lovely sense of humour, and she's just a beautiful person. So give her channel a check out. And number 10, this is my last one for this time. Oh, I've got lots more. I've written them all down even. So number 10 is Petra's Happy Place. She does a lot of yarn hauls and live streams and chats and show and tells, that sort of stuff. So that's my 10 for now. 2 lots, 5. I couldn't do it with the other one because I had a book in it. I got this for Christmas. I love this book. Gary bought it for me because it keeps me quiet for hours just playing with the book. I absolutely, you know, little things amuse little minds, as they say. So thanks for watching, everyone. Do check out those channels and mine. You know, don't forget me. And there'll be another one on Monday next week, as long as I've got internet and I don't forget, because, you know, memory's not what it was. I don't know why lately I've been really forgetful, but I think it's just with so much going on. I don't think I've got anything like Alzheimer's coming. So thanks for watching, everyone. And if you aren't already, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you all again soon. I've got a bit of a yarn haul. I've been naughty. Supposed to be not buying anymore, but Aldi has a yarn event, so that went out the window. So see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, everyone.